I call this project the time pyramid because it saves me time and is vaguely pyramid shaped. I think it's a really great project to do, especially if you're just starting to make things, because it teaches you about structure and it teaches you about how useful cardboard can be, but it also makes you more efficient at making stuff. And it does this by presenting the tools to you in a way that's really easy to search through and grab. And it also helps you by compartmentalizing the tools so that when you come to clean up, and cleaning up is something you do all of the time when you're making things, it allows you to clean up really easily because you know where stuff goes back to. It's got two sides, as you can see. On the front, I store pens and other small objects, and on the back I store measuring tools and cutting tools and things of that nature. This is quite an easy, quick and simple thing to get started with. So let's have a go. Basic tool set, get a decent glue gun, rulers, cutting tools. The orange thing is a bevel gauge, they're really useful, and the only other thing I use is a square. We start off by breaking down some cardboard and making these triangular prisms. 3 of them are 175 long, and you need 14 that are 100 mils long. This is the easiest way to do it. You just make panels that are 180 by 100 mils. You make a heap of those and then you fold them, you put a rubber band around them and you glue them up. You glue them into this pattern. Looks a bit upside down, but it's correct. Okay, there it is there. Then what we're doing is we're wrapping that in card. And this just creates extra triangles. So we're just folding it and then fitting it to the object and seeing how it fits and then folding it some more. And you just go through this process until you're happy with it, and when you're happy with it, you just glue it on. This is quite a simple, quick process. The next bit is just adding these side triangles, and the point of these is that they're supposed to be smaller to take small objects. You cut them at an angle. You can make that angle however you want. I've just used a square to do that, and then you glue them on. And then similarly, you're just wrapping that with cardboard. The next part is making it lean backwards against the 3 taller triangles you made, which are 175 millimeters long. And firstly, I'm just finishing up the back a little bit. Then I'm getting my angle right. You can just do this with trial and error. It's fairly simple. You just need to decide what angle you want it to be at. Then you cut the bottom of those triangles at that angle and fit them on, and then you just glue it up like this. Okay, we're doing the front and back parts, and these just take smaller objects again, and they also just make sure the thing doesn't fall over. And you're just fitting those to the front and the back of the object. You can use your bevel gauge to get the angles. The last part is just to glue on the base, and this just means that everything doesn't fall out when you pick it up to move it. One of the nice things about this project is you can pick it up and just put it elsewhere when you don't need it. And that's basically it. I'm just finishing up the bottom so it's nice and level, and it's completely done now. I really like this project because I think it showcases how useful cardboard can be. Cardboard is such a cheap and ubiquitous material, and reutilizing it for things like this is a really great way to kind of use it in a method that upcycles it. This project I find incredibly useful. I've been using the one on the left for about a year now, and it makes my ability to work on things much more efficient. And it just does that because it stores so many tools. And of all the other solutions I've tried little drawers, I've tried pencil cases, I've tried cup holders, I've tried tool rolls. Of all of these, this one is easily the most efficient. It stores the most tools, and it allows the tools to be retrieved in a way that's really time conscious. And I kind of wanted to share this because I think it could help other people too. And I'd really like to see what you guys do with it and how you change it. One of the things I really love about cardboard is it's not precious. It's great for experimenting with. You can change it, you can add bits, you can take bits away, and you don't have to worry about it too much. Tell me what you think in the comments, like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching Made by Night.